Hey, what's up, coders? In the previous video, I've talked about how I've created a circuit simulator. If you haven't watched that video yet, please go ahead and watch that, then continue with this one. This video is all about generating a circuit. If you know how to create a circuit, which gates to use, then it's fine, but sometimes the circuit gets really complicated. To get the desired output, we need to generate a Boolean function. Using that, we can generate our circuits. Here comes the concept of K-map. If you don't know what a K-map is, I've given some resources in the description. You can watch that. So I'm making a K-map solver. Let's first understand how I approached this problem. Let's assume a 4x4 K-map having 4 variables. We have to make a list of islands. We start from the top left position and check whether it is safe to include or not. It is safe, so I add this to the islands. Then we sweep across, move to the right. It is safe, move to the right. It is safe, move to the right. Next one is not safe, so we stop here and add the island. Then we check if the bottom one is safe. If yes, then we sweep across simultaneously. Next one is not safe as there is a 0, so we stop and add the island. Check the below one, it's not safe, so we stop here. Now we go to the next position, repeat the whole process again. By sweeping across, we get this island which has 3 columns. We cannot include that. We can only include 1, 2, 4, 8 kind of sizes. So instead we add this one. Repeating this process to every position, we get a list of islands. Then we sort the list according to their area. Go to the first island, mark them as visited. Go to the second island. There are some unvisited ones, so mark them as visited. Here all the ones are already visited, so we discard this island. Mark the next ones. As all the ones are visited, so we discard the rest of the islands. So here is our K-map, and here are 3 islands. Now we traverse through the islands. We go to the first island. Here A and B both are 0, so A0 and B0. At C and D both are changing, so we remove them. Here A and C are 0, but B and D are changing, so A0, C0. In the last one, A, B, C both are 1, so we write ABC. Now we add a plus sign in between. This is our simplified Boolean function. You can specify the min terms or modify the truth table, or you can simply click on the K-map itself to change its value to 0, 1, or don't care. Then click on the solve button to get the function and the islands. Here in my circuit simulator, I have added a 7-segment display where each bit lights up a single segment. For this to work with binary numbers, we have to create a driver circuit. We'll solve this in our circuit generator. In which numbers does the top LED lights up? 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we don't care about the rest of the numbers. Here we get our K-map and it is solved. Let's make a circuit with the equation we got. Give it a name and save this as a node group. Now fill in the minterms for the second segment. We got the equation. Let's make a circuit with this. Similarly, we repeat this process for the other segments also. Now we got a module for each segment. Let's assemble them. Connect the respective outputs and inputs. Also group them together to get a single module. These 4 inputs represent 4-bit binary number, and let's see how it works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You can get the codes from my GitHub. Links are in the description below. That's it for the video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, do subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. That's me signing off. Stay healthy. Be nice to everyone. Bye.